What if Santa Claus has been lying to us for decades?
That sleigh and reindeer were just marketing, not the real story?
The truth involves a 1947 John Deere tractor instead.
By the end, you'll never look at Christmas the same way.
But first, let me ask you something really important right now.
Have you wondered how Santa actually pulls off Christmas Eve deliveries?
526 million children, one night, 0 mistakes, 0 delays.
It sounds perfect. Way too perfect to actually be real, honestly.
Perfection is boring, and more importantly, it's completely unrealistic for anyone.
Which is why the tractor story is way more believable.
December 24th, North Pole, but not the magical movie version.
The real North Pole, where temperatures drop to -40 degrees. Where equipment fails and even perfect plans go completely sideways fast.
Mrs. Claus wakes at 4 a.m., finding Santa staring worried.
Rudolph stares back with clear, not today, buddy eyes, showing exhaustion.
Dasher's limping, Prancer ate something questionable, Comet refusing to cooperate completely. That's when Santa realizes the sleigh absolutely isn't happening this year. Most people would panic, call it off, issue that global apology.
But Santa walks outside, looks at his barn, sees something different. Something he hasn't considered in 200 years. His old tractor. Before Santa was Sant, he was just a guy who fixed. A machine that never complained, never got sick, never needed magic. A machine that just worked. Simple as that. No drama needed.
Hold on, when did your perfect plan fall apart completely last?
Drop a comment below. Your story is probably just as crazy.
So Santa fires up that 1947 John Deere tractor.
Olive green, built like a tank, smells like diesel and determination.
The elves think he's insane. Mrs. Claus is drafting press releases.
But Santa's got that look saying clearly, just watch me go.
He hooks up flatbed trailer loaded with presents, heads out tonight.
No flight plan, no GPS, just tractor, dream, questionable decisions ahead.
Here's something nobody tells you. Tractors are painfully slow, really. Cruising at 25 miles per hour, supposed to hit every continent.
The math isn't mathing at all. This seems completely impossible now.
But then something unexpected happens at 2 a.m. Christmas morning.
Every road in America is completely empty, no traffic anywhere tonight. No cops, no roadblocks, just open road and sleeping neighborhoods everywhere.
When people check Ring doorbells, they see something absolutely magical happening. Man in red suit on tractor leaving presents. So absurd yet.
It becomes the most talked about Christmas in decades, going viral.
But here's where things get really complicated for Santa tonight.
Montana, middle of nowhere, 3:47 a.m. Tractor sputters badly.
The engine coughs, shudders, then dies completely in total silence.
Santa sits in silence, watching clock tick.
Half of Idaho, all of California still left to go tonight.
Stranded on dirt road with broken fuel pump. This is it.
This is the moment, the crisis, where most people would quit.
But not Santa. He pops the hood, pulls out toolbox, works.
Tractors are built to be fixed with your own two hands.
No proprietary software, no special dealership tools needed here at all.
Just nuts, bolts, and old-fashioned problem-solving skills winning out.
37 minutes later, she's running again, engine purring perfectly now.
Santa realizes this is better than magic. Machines you can fix.
Magic fails, you're helpless. Machines fail, you fix them. That's power.
You're probably thinking, but what about the cookies right now, though?
We're getting to cookies, where Santa's plan becomes complete disaster.
You can't fit down chimneys on tractors. That's just physics reality.
So Santa's going plan B. Front doors, knocking, trusting Christmas magic.
But nobody anticipated this. Every house leaves out cookies for Santa.
Santa feels obligated to try them, but he's driving, not flying.
Which means the cookies accumulate, they just keep adding up fast.
By California, 40,000 cookies in back of that trailer now.
Chocolate chip, oatmeal raisin. Weird frosted ones shaped like trees too.
Cookies in cab, coat pockets, places cookies should never be.
That's when Highway Patrol spots him. Lights flashing behind tractor.
Picture this. Santa Claus on tractor being followed by cops.
3 confused officers don't know if they should arrest him or...
Radio chatter is legendary.
Dispatch, we've got a situation here.
Roger that, please advise.
Red suit, tractor, multiple sacks, please advise. Seriously, what do we?
But here's the beautiful part. Nobody stops him at all tonight.
Between Texas and California, the story spreads everywhere incredibly fast, online.
Social media explodes. News helicopters start following. Everyone's watching Santa now.
Santa becomes the underdog. The guy who refused to give up.
The legend who chose grit over glamour, determination over magic, always.
By last neighborhood at 5:58 a.m., half country's watching.
2 minutes before sunrise, The entire nation holds its breath tight.
Santa pulls up final house, kills engine, sits covered in diesel.
And cookie crumbs, exhausted beyond measure. But he made it work.
Grabs last present. Bicycle with red bow. Walks to front door.
As he sets it down gently, door opens, little girl stands. 7 years old, pajamas, looks at Santa, tractor, back at Santa.
Your reindeer break down.
Santa smiles warmly. Something like that, he replies to her honestly.
She nods like this makes perfect sense. My dad's truck, too.
He fixed it with duct tape. Did it work? Santa asks.
For a while, she says, then you did good. Closes door.
Santa drives back North Pole as sun rises over the horizon.
Tractor barely makes it. Trailer empty except for cookie wrappers everywhere.
Missed every deadline, broke every rule, pulled off most memorable Christmas. This is Claus waiting driveway, elves cheering, even reindeer look impressed now.
But real magic was never perfection. It was about showing up.
About adapting when plans fail. Choosing grit over giving up entirely.
Santa didn't need flying reindeer, just willing to do whatever required.
And here's why this matters to you right now in life.
How many times avoided trying because you didn't have perfect setup?
Perfect equipment, perfect timing, perfect circumstances, waiting forever for perfect conditions.
How many dreams died because the reindeer were sick that day?
Here's what Santa's tractor teaches. Start with what you have now.
Tools you owe, skills you built, resources within reach, right this moment.
Will it be perfect? Absolutely not. Will you break down? Probably.
Will people think you're crazy? Guaranteed. But you'll create something real.
Something memorable. Something that matters more than any polished version could.
The world doesn't need more perfect. It needs more tractor Santas everywhere.
People willing to look ridiculous, break down, and keep going anyway.
So here's my challenge. What's your tractor sitting in your barn?
What imperfect tool have you been ignoring because it's not magical?
Drop it in comments, share your story, someone needs to hear.
I guarantee someone watching needs to hear your story right now.
If you enjoyed this completely ridiculous deep dive into Christmas logistics,
Do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button for Sial Agri Farm.
We're building a community of people who believe in getting things done.
Even when the plan falls apart completely, we adapt and overcome.
Plus, I've got more stories coming. Tales of tractors and farming.
and practical wisdom that actually helps you get through real life.
The messy, beautiful, tractor-driving chaos that is real life, always.
Don't miss out on this journey. Subscribe now. Join the farm.
And remember, when your reindeer break down, there's always a tractor.